Oh. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the trolling account. My intro. Five Nights at Maggie's 4. I'm going to continue. I know I just did it, but I really am bored because I hurt myself. Because, I hurt my ankle somehow. I do not know how. And, I have, nothing to do. So I'm making videos until my father makes food. I know I have no subscribers, but I'm gonna act like I have a few. So my school knows I have a YouTube account, but I didn't tell them the account name. So they kept on trying to get it from me, and now I'm just... Anyways, I have no subscribers, but people have viewed my things before. So people have viewed some of my videos. I'm just saying, can you if you are viewing it, because I've been getting a few views lately. If you're viewing it and you like it and you have an account, because if you don't have an account because you're not allowed to have an account, sign up in it. I don't care. I get that. Could you subscribe if you do have an account and you're able to subscribe? If you like my content. I'm not trying to ask you to, force you or anything. If you, like it and you're watching it. It's just, yeah. Anyways, enough about me going on and ranting about stuff. Ow! Somebody's smacking me in my face, but let's continue. Okay. Did I just click new game? Or continue? I swear to God, if I click new game, oh my God, I'm gonna kill you. I might have clicked a new game, and that's going to suck. I clicked new game. Okay. One second, I'm gonna pause this while I get through the first night again, and yeah, I'll be back when I get through the first night.
This is an automated voice message to instruct you on how to do your job here at Fnam.
Okay. I made it at the end now. Back to night 2. To night 2 now. We're going through this party again. Trust me, I'm an idiot, and I honestly messed up. Oh my God, this cuts me in the gut. Keep on hurting myself today. Oh my God. That one's the yellow one's creepy. The yellow one's... The fire wasn't enough. Oh my God. It's definitely rip off the fire of the and actual Five Nights at Freddy's. The fire they have. Okay. Anyways, continue. We're on night 2 right now. Okay, we got this. Okay. Moving on the stage. Nothing really good. Nothing wrong so far. Okay. Seems like all the vents are fine until they start moving. Okay. Now, it's like we don't run out of power, unlike the other one, where we do run out of power. Okay, never mind. I spoke too soon. They found the vents. Oh God, they go down quicker each night, I'm guessing. Oh! These fuckers are moving again. Oh God. Oh my god, how many are there? Oh, they're all off the stage. Oh god. Like in the second one, all you had to do was wind up one music box. That's like winding up like 6 music box. Oh my god. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen! I know, like, there's just, like, small, but I don't want them going down that much. Oh! Hi! Ooh, mail. Okay, no one's there anymore. Good to know, good to know. It's 1 a.m., it's 1 a.m., it's 1 a.m., 1 a.m., 1 a.m. Ah. Okay. Hi! Oh, don't look at it. Ugly! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get them all to the bathroom. Oh god, I don't want to scream because my dad's home. He's downstairs. And if I scream, he's probably going to be like, what's the matter, Trim? I'm going to be like, I'm going to answer it with, I'm playing a horror game. Oh god, no. Play kitchen, 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 kitchen. Oh my god, just play. No. Oh my god. Kitchen, kitchen. Kitchen. Or party room. Oh my god. Make up your mind, Trin. Make up your mind. He's coming down more. Oh my god. Ventilation. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Front hall. Oh my god. Play the music. Oh my god. Wasn't even that scary. I say as I hyperventilate. Oh, nope. Oh my god, that scared. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, that little pig. I'm pretty sure it's a pig. I'm just gonna punch him in the nose. Oh, punch him in the snout. Oh. When is this gonna load back in? Okay. I don't know. When does it load back in? 1 second. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I paused the video. This will probably be only 2 seconds. But I paused the video, because it wouldn't let me load into the next game, and I had something to eat. So, yeah. Anyways, continue. Night 2. Oh my god. So if they're in there, I gotta hide. Okay. Okay. Everything seems to be in check. Can I like shine a light or something? Okay. Okay, they're still there. Can't really, there's no one there. You moved? Or have you always been there and didn't see you? What the heck? What the heck? No. Okay, time to go to CJ. Blinking. Going back in here. Last time they snuck up on me by surprise. How has your day been so far? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, kitchen. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh my god, no, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh, in here we go, in here we go. No, please, please. Just come in, come in, come in. Oh my god, I'm dead from that thing. No. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can still live, I can still live, I can still live. Oh my god. Holy crap, that was a close one, that was a close one, that was a close one, that was a close one. Shoot, 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 shoot. Come on. I'm at 4 a.m. right now. Oh my god. Come on, come at me, come at me. Shoot, 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 shoot. And I'm dead. I'm done with this game for now. I didn't beat it. Dang it. Just 1 second, please. I can't get past. Oh my god, I tried it 20 times, but I still can't get past it. I'm done for now. Because oh my god. I am done for now because I can't get past it. Yeah, I'll continue later. I just can't get past it right now. Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day /night/evening.